Let's design a deal toy with Altrum using the online store in under 5 minutes. First, navigate to our store from Altrum's homepage. After that, we highly recommend you either log in or create an account if you have not already. By logging into your account, this makes it much easier to revisit previous orders, keep track of current orders, and any saved designs that you have used in the past. So let's take a look at some of the pre-designed deal toys that we have on our online store. We have a bunch of different templates and shapes, perfect for any transaction. But we also have a feature where you can create your own deal toy from scratch. We have acrylic deal toys, crystal deal toys, and a bunch of different shapes and sizes, perfect for any price range. For the sake of this video, let's design this one together. Take a look at the specifications on the page and make sure that the size works for you and your team. And once you're happy with that, you can click the Customize button. This will take you over to our online design platform, and once you're here, you can start customizing your piece to look however you'd like. First, we're going to start by uploading some logos and shapes. You can do this from your desktop. Just make sure that they're high resolution. We'll show you how to do that in another video. You can change the size of these logos, and integrated into the platform is a snap tool so you can ensure that everything is perfectly centered. You can use the text tool to start adding your deal text and change the size as well. And from here, you can just continue to build out your deal text. Make sure that all text is the same size. Once your deal text is complete and everything is in the right place, use the 3D render feature to take a look at your piece from a bunch of different angles. Okay, that looks great. Next, save your design. This is super important, so you can go back to it and make any changes that you may need to after you run it by the rest of your team. Click Save, and then we're going to add to cart. Once you get to the cart, you have the ability to change the currency if you need. Other than that, you can check out and you have officially created a deal toy online using our store in under 5 minutes.